Beachly Fall Box just launched today, you guys, and we are going to go through each and every spoiler for this season, and I'm going to show you guys my favorite 6 picks for the Fall Box. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here, and today is going to be a spoiler video. We are going to be taking a look at the Beachly subscription box for fall 2024. So in my video today, I'm going to be revealing all of the spoilers that are available for customization. You are able to order the fall box as of today, and I'm going to go through each and every one of those options. I also have with me 6 of the items from this box as well, so you can look at it first. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, you guys, and we're gonna check out this box. If you're interested in this subscription, I do have a link posted down below for you. If you use my link and one of my coupon codes, you'll be able to save some money off of your first box. Now, what's great about this subscription is that everyone can customize the entire box. So you will receive 6 items inside of your quarterly subscription, but you get to choose all 6 of those items. And that's available for new members and existing members to customize their box. So here's your first sneak peek at my fall box. So in category 1, there are 2 options to choose from. And I gotta tell you guys, they're both really good. I was this close at asking to have both of them here to show you guys, because based off of what I read in the photos, they both looked really good. I ended up not doing it because I was like, well, I want to be fair. I don't really like pulling the whole influencer card unless I need to, but they both look really, really good. So honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with either of them. I ended up going with the terry cloth backpack. This one I thought was perfect for taking to like the beach, if you're going to the pool. In my case, that's what this will be for, is going to the pool. Putting in all your essentials, you know, your sunscreen, your headphones, a book, my sunglasses, like this is just the perfect backpack. So I'm going to show you guys this first, and then I'll tell you about the other product in this category. But this one is made of a terry cloth. So it's very soft and it's got this great aqua color. There is white striping all the way around. And it will have your strap at the top here. And of course it is a backpack, so we've got our shoulder straps. This part will have a snap that will just open up here, and then there's a drawstring attached to it. I did find that there's quite a bit of room inside of this as well. And because it's a flexible fabric, you can put quite a bit in here. And if it had to be, you know, bulging a little bit like your beach towel is hanging out of it, you could do that. There's definitely room. So you've got a zippered compartment in the back here. And then, like I said, it's good size to hold everything that you're going to need while you're at the pool or wherever it may be. So this is called the Vacay Everyday Backpack. It is a Beachly exclusive that was made by a brand called Lou and Elle. So they make lots of different bags, but they did design this bag specifically for Beachly members. It retails for $88 on their website if you were interested in purchasing it. Now the other option available in this category is the Hello Sunshine cardigan. This is made by a brand called Saltwater Luxe, and it also is a Beachly exclusive. So they designed this print exclusively for Beachly members. It retails for $128. They have sizes available from an extra small up to a 2XL. In my opinion, of having this subscription for a while now, I do feel like their sizes run large. So my advice is always to size down one. Just know that there's some wiggle room with those sizes in there as well. But this cardigan says that it is embroidered with Hello Sunshine on the back. It is a cozy material that will help you to fall right into fall. And it says that this will also have the fun striping all around the arms, which is what I loved. I'm telling you guys, it is so cute. I don't think you can go wrong in this first category. For category number 2, there are also 2 options available. The first choice that I went with, and I just love, is this blue t-shirt. This is a short sleeve t-shirt, and it does come in a variety of sizes again. You are able to customize your size if you do choose this as your choice product. So again, they have this from an extra small to a 2X. This one, I feel like, again, is a bit oversized. All of their clothes just tend to be one size larger, which is fine because I do think this would make a great like oversized, comfy t-shirt. So you could definitely order true to size, but if you want it to be a little bit more snug, just order one size down. But like I said, it's going to be a short sleeve t-shirt here. And then on the back, because I mean, the seashell was cute on the front, but then on the back, we get lots of seashells. How cute is that? So this was also made exclusively for Beachly members. If you were going to purchase this one, it would be $55. It says that this is a coastal soft blue color. It's designed to be an oversized fit, and it says it's perfect to pair with denim shorts, or you could have it with your linen pants. This would be a cozy vibe this fall. But if you're not feeling the t-shirt, the other option in this category is the Sunshine Daydream Hanging Toiletry Bag. Now, they did design the print exclusively for Beachly members. I've said that on every product, but literally, you guys, every product they've had in here is exclusively for Beachly members. So I do think that's cool that you're getting something unique to this subscription. The only reason why I didn't go with this is I feel like I already have enough of those. But you know what? The argument can be made that I have enough t-shirts too, and I still got another t-shirt. Category number 3 has 2 different options available. So the item that I went with is a home decor item, and it's very long. I decided to go with this strand of beads. These beads feature wood round beads on it, but they also have sea glass. And that's what I thought was really unique about this. So this will give you a little bit of beach-inspired home decor this season. So this is what it will look like here for this strand. One thing I noticed is that the beads are a lot larger than your traditional garlands are, but I like the good size on here. Again, I love that this is sea glass. You've got the jute on either end, and it's a very long beaded garland. So you can use this for home decor. I mean, you can put this anywhere, wrap it around. I just think it gives you a really nice beach-inspired look without being like too in your face. So this garland is designed by Primitives by Kathy. She is a small business owner and it retails for $35. It measures in 58 inches of length and it says that there is plenty of coverage with this one. It's a neutral everyday accent. The other option in this category is a pillowcase set. So it is a set of 2, which I gotta tell you guys, I love that. I find in so many subscription boxes, they will only send 1 pillowcase and it drives me nuts. I don't know about you guys, but I hate having mismatched pillowcases. Like they need to match each other. So I like that this is a set of 2 if you order them. Okay, you guys, I have not had a nightlight in honestly like a decade. I don't even remember the last time I used a nightlight, but this nightlight was so cute that I had to try it. So this is in category number 4, and in this category there are 4 different options to go with. This nightlight though, I'm telling you, it is so cute. So this is the seashell nightlight, and it does have a switch that you can just toggle on or off. I think I will put this in a bathroom, and that way you could just turn it on if you need to. This one will have a really cool looking shell, and honestly, it looks very realistic, but it's not. It is a fake seashell. I promise you, no seashells were harmed in making these nightlights, but this is what it will look like here. This will be the switch on the front. It reminds me of my childhood, you guys, because we had nightlights growing up like all the time. I was terrified of the dark. So this is what it looks like on the back. It does come with a light bulb as well. So if you were to purchase this nightlight, it retails for $25. It says that it's made with a faux resin shell and it will give you a beachy flare. But if you don't need a nightlight this season, there are 3 other options to go with. So you could choose a beach towel that is round in shape and has a fun indigo tie-dye design. This retails for $45 and it is made of Turkish cotton. Additionally, you could go with the hand-woven tray. Now, this tray is 11 inches and it retails for $42. It is all handmade from banana bark. Or if you don't like those ones, you could go with a set of coasters. Now these coasters are made from marble and they are by the company called Zeal Living. This retails for $42. In category 5, there are 3 different options to go with for your box. I decided to go with this really fun hair wrap. The print is what sold me, you guys. I love color. I love just fun, vibrant prints. And so this one was speaking to me. I was like, I already have like 4 hair wraps, but you know what? Let's just get a 5th one. Why not? So this one is a quick dry hair wrap, and this is what the box itself will look like. This is also a Beachly exclusive product. So they did design this print exclusively for Beachly members and just for this fall season. So if you wanted to purchase this, it retails for $20 on the Zoe Isla website. So this, I mean, you guys, look at this. Is it not gorgeous? This print is stunning. And honestly, I wish I had a blanket that looked like this. I would have loved a beach towel, a blanket, a cardigan. I could have taken my entire box in this print, you guys. So this is what the hair wrap will look like. The idea with these is that you can pull your hair up after you get out of the shower. You can do your full skincare routine. You can put on makeup. It keeps your hair out of your face, but then it also helps to dry your hair faster. So usually what I'll do is I'll flip my head upside down. This larger part of it then is where I'm gonna put it on the back of my scalp. I'm trying to like do it, you guys, but it's a little tricky to do it when my hair's already dry and, you know, I've got makeup on right now. But then you're able to wrap this up and you'll actually have this wrapped on top of your head then. So it will hold everything right in place on top. And for me, like I said, I just love having it out of my face. But there are 2 other options in this category if you guys don't need a hair wrap. The second option is the Today is a Good Day bikini bag. This is a bag that is a drawstring bag and it's designed to put in like your swimwear after you're done swimming. It retails for $25. It's a smaller bag. It's only designed for like a bikini to go in there to keep it dry, just to store it. I figure I got the backpack for that. The other option is you could go with the Market Fresh tote bags. These are mesh tote bags, and the idea is that you could take these with you to pick up like some fresh produce or something if you're at a farmer's market. They retail for $30 for this set of 2, and they want you to use less plastic bags. So that is the idea behind these mesh bags. Again, that's something that I already have from a previous subscription. So of course, I'm gonna go with the item that I don't have. And last up, for category number 6, there are 2 options available to customize your box with. I decided to go with the jewelry option because I do love jewelry, you guys. I don't know if you noticed that, but I'm a jewelry fan. So this is from Etika, and it is in the cutest little bag here. This is a bracelet that retails for $35. So it is called the Solo Stone bracelet, and it is a silver chain. It is a very delicate little bracelet. And here is your solo stone right in the center. I have found I kind of like these ones because they're lightweight. They still look really cute, but they're not actually, you don't notice that they're there. So even though this one was really simple, not over the top by any means, I do feel like I will wear this quite a bit just because it is a very lightweight, simple chain. So this is what it will look like here. It does have a lobster claw clasp on it as well. This one is made with a cubic zirconia stone in the center of it. Now the other option in this category is a sign that says On Beach Time. This was a $15 print that was by Primitives by Kathy. She did make this little message board, so I do think it is really cute, but I like the bracelet a bit more. So there you have it, you guys. That is everything in my Beachly box for fall 2024, and those are all of the spoilers to share with you. If you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription, like I said, I do have a link down below. This box did launch today, so you can sign up for the fall box now, and you can customize your entire box. Plus, if you're a new member and you decide to sign up, don't forget you can use my codes down below. You can save a little bit of money off, or you can get a free bonus box with your order. So have fun shopping, you guys, and until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye!